Hello everyone, Rochelle here and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you all how I make my super easy and super soft brown sugar cookies. Let's jump right into it. Here I am starting out with my 1 cup of unsalted butter. If you only have salted butter, make sure that you skip the part later on in the recipe where I add in a little bit of salt. And then to my whipped butter, I will be adding in my dark brown sugar. Always remember to scrape down the sides of your bowl whatever you're baking, whether it's a cake recipe or cookie dough, because you want to make sure that all your ingredients are well combined. Okay, so in a separate bowl, I did go ahead and crack my eggs. I have 1 large egg and 1 large egg yolk. And then to that, I will also add my vanilla extract. Okay, so there is quite a bit of dry ingredients to add at this point. What I'm doing is adding in 2 cups of the all-purpose flour to begin with, then I'm going to mix it and then add the rest, which is the 3/4 cup. So altogether I'll be using 2 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Okay, so like I stated before, I'm adding in the rest of my all-purpose flour. I'm also adding in the rest of my dry ingredients, which will be cornstarch, salt, because I did not use salted butter, and also baking powder and baking soda. So as I'm scraping down the sides of my bowl the final time, I'm going to take note the texture of my cookie dough. So notice how it's not sticking to my spatula, and notice how it's not crumbly, like it's very easy to fold over. So before you get ready to place it in the fridge, just make sure that the texture is right, because that will determine, of course, what type of cookies you're going to have. So your spatula basically should look like this. So it is finally time to bake these cookies. The very last step is to just take a little ball of the cookie dough and roll it in some sugar. Here in this clip, I'm using some regular granulated sugar. However, in my second batch of cookies, I tried it with the dark brown sugar. And just letting you know, if you do roll your dough in some dark brown sugar, it will definitely change the texture of the outside. It'll be a little more on the crunchy side. So basically the outside will be hard, but the inside will stay fluffy. If you want your cookie to stay soft inside and out, just use the white sugar like I'm doing here and you'll be good to go. So here are what these bad boys look like, fresh out of the oven. I haven't even put them on a cooling rack just yet. I just wanted to show you guys what they look like as they come out. And here is a clip of what the brown sugar rolled dough looks like after it's done baking. So we have the brown sugar on the left, and the right we have it when it's rolled in the white sugar. And I'm also going to take a bite just to show you all that the texture on the inside will not change. It's just the outside of the one with the dark brown sugar will be crunchy. Listen, I'm not just saying this because I made the cookies, but these cookies are it. You will not be disappointed if you make them. They stay super soft for a very long time, whether you have them in a Ziploc bag or if you have them in a tightly sealed cookie jar, they'll be good to go. You don't need to pop them in the fridge. So I just want to thank you all for taking the time out and watching my video and watching it in full. If you do that, thank you. If you try this recipe, please leave any questions or comments down below that you have. And I have a question for you all. What is your favorite type of cookie? Whether it's homemade or store-bought, just let me know. Leave that down there in the comment section below. And the reason why I ask is because I'm a cookie fanatic. I absolutely love cookies. They are my favorite type of dessert, of snack, of guilty food pleasure. So I just wanted to share that little bit of information about myself. I love cooking and baking, and you know, cookies are my passion, if you can even say that. So anyways, thank you again for watching. Please, if you haven't already subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. And until next time, bye-bye.